All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. I do apologize. I'm really dirty. I've been working from morning, so I sincerely apologize for that. But I'm here, so we have 2 games confirmed now for the Reggae Boyz upcoming matches before the Gold Cup campaign, and these 2 games aren't actually Honduras or Brazil. So apparently, these now are the confirmed games that we have. So people, please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the subscribe button. People, join the family. I really appreciate it if you guys join the family. Now, this is a great growing community, and I thoroughly appreciate all the support that I have been getting over the time period. I really appreciate it. So I'll continue to do my best to provide you guys with content, and also, well, not just content, not just get up and say me or talk, but content of value, so you guys can come to your own decision and come to your own understanding where that is concerned. All right, so let me get to the meat of the matter. Let's get to what you guys are actually here for. All right, so in preparation for the CONCACAF Gold Cup, Jamaica will stage a pre-tournament camp and play 2 international friendly games in, let me see, actually JFF just posted. Good. Yeah, so this is it. Jamaica will play 2 friendly games on June 11th. No, the team will get up for a camp on June 11th. They will take on the former World Cup host Qatar on June 15th, before tackling Jordan on June 19th. So they will take on Qatar on June 15th and Jordan on June 19th. So that's interesting. So they will get in camp in June 11th. So that's interesting. So they will be in camp in Austria. Won't try to call the name of the exact location because that definitely is problematic. But they will camp in Austria, travel to camp in Austria on June 11th and play Qatar on June 15th and tackle Jordan on June 19th. So this is what they stated. This is what the president said. We want to place Coach Al Grimson. We want to place Coach Al Grimson and his team in the best position to perform at their optimum. At the Gold Cup, said the president. This is the 3rd year consecutive that we will be hosted in this city, a location that is perfect for preparation. I believe with the quality of the team we now have, combined with the quality of the coaching, we have an outstanding opportunity to create history by winning the coveted trophy. Both games will be played at Erga Arena in Werner. Let me see if I can pronounce it. Is it Nostidit? I forgot about that. Erga Arena, yeah. The team will then leave for Chicago on June 20, where they will play the United States in their first game on the Gold Cup, June 24. No, so that's a lot of information. So the 15th, we're taking on Qatar. On the 19th, we're taking on Jordan. So the camp starts on the 11th of June. So that's really interesting. Camp starts on the 11th of June. On the 15th, 4 days later, we take on Qatar, former World Cup host. 4 days after that, we take on Jordan. So certainly that's looking good. And then we travel the next day to Chicago for preparation for the Gold Cup. So people, please do smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, this has been a good one. MG Sports TV, people. Hope you're doing good, and we are out.